Hello, pizza enthusiasts! Today, join me in creating the perfect homemade pizza. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and embark on a culinary journey. Let's make some pizza magic. Step 1. The perfect pizza dough. Our journey begins with the foundation, the perfect pizza dough. For a classic and foolproof dough, you'll need 3½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon active dry yeast, 1½ cups warm water, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon salt. Combine the yeast, sugar, and warm water. Then let it sit for about 5 minutes until it's frothy. Mix it with the flour, olive oil, and salt. Knead until smooth, then let it rise for an hour. Your dough is now ready to become the canvas for your pizza. Step 2. The flavorful tomato sauce. Next up, let's craft a flavorful tomato sauce. Gather these ingredients. 1 can, 28 ounces, crushed tomatoes. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 teaspoon dried basil. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Combine these ingredients in a saucepan and simmer for 15–20 minutes. The result? A rich and aromatic tomato sauce that will elevate your pizza. Step 3. Toppings galore. Now, let's talk toppings. The beauty of homemade pizza lies in the freedom to personalize. Some classics include mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, bell peppers, onions, and olives. But feel free to get creative. Goat cheese, arugula, or prosciutto can add a gourmet touch. Step 4. Baking perfection. With our dough, sauce, and toppings ready, it's time for the grand finale, the baking. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 245 degrees Celsius. Assemble your pizza on a baking sheet or pizza stone and bake for 12–15 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it. A homemade pizza crafted with love and creativity. Whether you're sharing it with friends or enjoying a solo feast, this pizza is a celebration of your culinary prowess. Remember, the joy is in the process and the delightful aroma that fills your kitchen. Buon appetito! If you enjoyed this pizza-making journey, stay tuned for more delicious recipes and culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking!